How to use IF Home Insurance Denmark properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. IF Home Insurance is one of Denmark's most trusted providers, but many homeowners make mistakes that leave them underinsured or overpaying. The surprising truth is that owning a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it correctly. One common mistake is underestimating coverage. Rising construction costs and home renovations mean your policy may not cover the full cost of rebuilding your home or replacing belongings. Regularly review your sums insured and adjust them for any home improvements or newly purchased valuable items. Neglecting liability protection is another frequent error. IF policies include personal liability coverage. Lowering limits to save money can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property or if you accidentally damage a neighbor's home. Failing to update your policy is another trap. Moving, renovating, or acquiring new possessions changes your coverage needs. Not notifying IF may result in delayed or denied claims. Many homeowners also overlook available discounts. IF offers savings for bundling policies, installing approved security systems, and maintaining a claims-free record. Ignoring these can cost hundreds of kroner annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce your payout. Document damages carefully, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims advisor. Being proactive ensures faster settlements and smoother processing. By avoiding these mistakes, you can make the most of IF Home Insurance Denmark. Ensure coverage reflects your home's true value, maintain sufficient liability protection, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works effectively and protects both your home and peace of mind.